Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view MBOX files and folders. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MBOX Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software Support Mini Email Client and File Format, choose as per your requirement. Then select MBOX File option and choose File and choose Folder to load MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that MBOX folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the MBOX email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that MBOX mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. The next important feature provided by the tool is that you can see the message header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. The solution also provides you the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. As you can see, there is a search option that is called Quick Search. It searches keywords within the emails. Now, enter a keyword in the search field as shown in the video, and you will see the results highlighted in yellow color. It's time to introduce one of the most beneficial features of the tool, Advanced Search. It finds information within the email. Go to Advanced Search. Mark emails in the search inbox. Now, pick the message field you want to search for information from, such name, subject, from, to, CC, and more. We are selecting the content field. Enter the keyword you want to search in the emails and then click on the Find button. The tool gives instant results. Click on the email and see that keyword. The Export tab gives you multiple options to save email message, and Extract tab helps you to take out email addresses, attachments, phone number and more from the emails. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. So, subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the next videos. Have a great day.